What's up and hello everyone. Today we are going to replace a new screen for the Redmi Note 11 Pro. Let's do that. In order to remove the screen, we have to remove the back. We can use the alcohol with the syringe. We are going to make a gap. After we make a gap, we can insert the plastic tool and we can swipe from the bottom to the top. Don't put the plastic piece in the middle because we may have flex cable in the middle and we could end by cut these cables. So you have to be very careful while you are doing that. The alcohol make the adhesive soft so you can remove the back easily. What's hold the back? It's the adhesive, and the adhesive can't work with the glue. Can't work with the alcohol, not the glue. Alright. So you have to be careful how to remove the back. I think this back is from glass. Yeah, I think it's glass, not plastic. So you have to be careful not to broke that one. I can't remember, honestly. The patient is very important. Don't eat too much because it's if this one is plastic, you could damage the back. It could be melt or whatever it happens. We still have less to remove the back. Keep putting the alcohol. I'm using isopropyl. It's 99.9%. And this is the one I clean with a PCP. So let's now remove all the screws. Take them out, all, the top and the bottom. In this model of the phone, we have one frame to the housing. It's one piece. So you have to remove all the screws to remove them. You can now detach it. You can make a gap and detach it. Oh, we have the SIM card tray. You have to remove it before you remove the housing from the frame. Alright, I just got a text message, that's why. Now you can detach it using your nails or a plastic piece. We have fingerprint flex cable. Be patient while you are pulling up. Alright, remove and unplug the flex cable. This is for the fingerprint sensor. There is some glue on that flex. Alright, it's removed. Now we are going to unplug the battery. Alright, screen flex cable is under that subboard. So we have to remove subboard to reach the screen flex cable. The flex cable connected the screen to the mainboard. It goes under the battery. You will see how this done. Be careful while you are removing the subboard, and also you can keep the wire in there, the antenna wire. Alright, this is the flex cable. This device comes to me is with black screen or maybe not working. So before I'm doing anything, I'm going to put a new screen and test if the device is working and the screen is working. After that, we will continue our job. Alright, the screen is on. Be careful not to make very push to the screen. It's in a bad area. The flex could be cut or damaged. So I'm going just to test to make sure everything is good. Alright, the screen is working, everything is good. Now I think I can go and proceed with my job. You can remove the subboard because we don't need something going on the place. Alright, let's remove the screen. I think I'm going to remove the protection glass and proceed. Alright, I can't remove the screen, so you have to make some heat so we can make a gap. After making a gap, we can pull up the screen and remove it. I'm going to use from the broken line. I'm going to heat, remove some glass, and after that I can insert my plastic piece and remove the screen easily. This piece is very important for our job. It makes the job easier. You can use too much heat, but I don't recommend to use that. We can just use these tools. Alright, a little heat at the top to remove what's left from the screen. Always we have, this is the air speaker shield. Alright, it goes at the top. Let's now clean everything. This is very important. The better we clean, the better we get result after we put the screen on the position. It will fit to the frame and goes straight to the frame. Nothing, and there is no gap. So this is very important. Clean also the air speaker and put it in the position. We always want to do the good job for the customer. The air speaker was dirty and he barely was listen to the peoples he talked to them. Alright, now I'm testing if the screen is on place. You see, I didn't put glue. Sometimes I have to see if everything is good or not. Alright, I'm not comfort with what is going on. I'm going to remove the screen. Make sure everything is good before doing the full assembly. In some area, nothing, there was some dust, so I'm going to also to remove. Alright, I think now I'm ready to do the last thing. Alright, clean with the alcohol and let's get ready. I'm using Relief CP0002. It's a black and it's a good and waterproof glue. You just need to put a line all over the frame. Be careful not to put near the ear speaker, the camera and the sensor area. And all sensor area always goes at the top, but in some devices it goes at the bottom, so you have to see if there is a hole and there is sensor under it. This is very important. Alright, just a line from the adhesive will be enough. Nothing in the middle, nothing in everywhere, just all over the frame, and that will be enough. Some people put some glue in the middle. I don't know why. The company makes their screens as I did. It's all over the frame and nothing more, nothing less. We should always do what they did because they having the experience more than us. No need to put something in the middle. Can now plug all the flex cables. Now we are going to put the subboard back, and after that we will connect the antenna wire and connect the subboard flex cable that comes under the battery to the subboard to the main board. You have not to forget anything. Make sure everything perfect for the customer. We don't need the customer to return back complaint why the screen is not fit correctly, why there's a gap under the screen, why I can see the lights of the screen under the frame. And why, I don't know. So we have always to try our best to have the correct parts, the original parts. We ask the customer if he want original or low cost parts or copy parts, whatever he want. We give him the price, we got agreement for what you want, and then we can proceed with our job. I think we have done putting everything in the place. Alright, let's turn the device on. Alright, we have now to put all the screws down, and then we can close the back, and after that we will end our job. So if you have any questions, you can just write it on the comments below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe to support the channel. Your support is important for us. Don't forget to do that, and we will be appreciated. Alright, we will do something else in the next video. Peace, my friends.